Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Harbor Freight email. It says Labor Day sale going on now through Monday, September 2. Yeah, I do apologize for not putting this video out on Friday, yesterday. Pretty much been really busy at work. I just got off work right now, Friday night, just trying to put this out as quick as possible for you guys to have all these coupons. I do have previous videos of this 25% off coupon, so you can check them out. That way you can take several different coupons to the store in case one doesn't work. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with this email. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Alright, first of all, we got 25% off coupon here. As we can see, it says 25% off. Happy Labor Day, one day only, Monday, September 2. So yeah, you can only use this Monday. I do have other videos, about 5 items that you could get with this 25% off coupon. I'll see if I can link them up above, up here on to the right, or you can just look up Toolhead 147. 25% off coupon, and you will see my videos at the bottom. Anyways, this is just like a 20% off coupon, same limitations, same everything, but it's 5% more than the regular 20%. So yes, you can use the 20% and the 25%, just not on the same item, but you can use both of them in the same transaction, just not on the same item. Alright, we got a free light here. There's a coupon right there. And guys, feel free to take screenshots of this, of these coupons or pictures in the computer. And all you need is the code here. You can just give that to the cashier and you're good to go. 2000 watt super quiet inverter generator. These inverter generators are great. $449.99. They did lower the price on this. 10 by 10 feet pop-up canopy. I've heard mixed reviews on this. Some people don't like them, some people do. So they did lower the price, $39.99. We got this is a new item. If you guys haven't seen my previous videos, I did take a picture of these, a pallet full with red jacks now. We got rapid pump 3-ton steel heavy duty floor jack, $89.99. Yeah, so this is pretty much the same one as the other one, but in red. Same as the gray one. Let's see here. I do have the blue cart. These are really nice. Recommended for the DIY, even for the mechanic that wants to start. Doesn't have a lot of money to put down. Definitely a great box. Any type of box from US General. These are great boxes there. I do have another coupon for $169.99. If you guys need that for only these 3 colors, let me know. I can leave me a comment down below, and I can leave you the link to the video where I posted that coupon. It's only for blue, black, and red. Let's see here. These are nice gloves. I do have them. Mechanics gloves, $4.99. Yeah, these are great too. Just don't expect a lot of them. A lot from these, you know, a couple holes here and there, that's fine. But if you're planning on using these bits a lot or for hard metal, these are not your bits. This is a great item here. I do have it. It works good. We've seen it before for about $70 or $75. So not the best price, but still a great this is a great item here, and $19.99 is the cheapest we've seen it. So if you need one, go get it. $19.99 is a good price. This is a nice item here. I used to have it for $19.99. Now they raised the price to $24.99. Let's see here. This is a great item here, especially for the DIY. Recommend this drill or this brand. I do have the 1/2 inch impact wrench, the one that you can take out the tires or the lug nuts of the tires. I have no complaints. I do have the inflator. No complaints whatsoever. Everything works pretty good. This angle grinder is pretty good. Recommend it if you want to have multiple grinders. You don't want to switch that wheel all the time from the cutting wheel to the grinding wheel. Then you're gonna have multiple, especially at that $9 price or under $10 price. This is a good throwaway, or not throwaway, but disposable kind of. Well, not really disposable, but if you want to lend some tools around, you want to lend them this kit, or carry it on your truck. Just throw it in your truck. If you break down or if you ever need to take down a screw, you're good to go there with $5. These batteries I wouldn't recommend buying. Definitely wait for the free coupon. And then if you're gonna get them, I would recommend you guys get the other ones, the orange ones or the blue ones. These tend to leak sometimes. I had bad experience with them, but if they're free, I mean, I'll take them. And just be aware that they might leak or they might not have a lot of power. So these are great for remote controls and flashlights. It's a great item here. It does heat for $10. That's a freebie right there. Same thing with this. These are great jacks. No complaints. They work. They're cheap, so you can use those. Triggers. I do have this. It's been over a year that I have this. It's all beat up. Still works. I know it's leaking water from here, but it's been thrown a lot. It's been sitting out in the sun. Who knows? I might even run it over with my truck. I don't know, because it's just been sitting out there. Even my dog's been playing with this thing. So, and it's still alive. $3.99. That's a great little gun there. I'm gonna go slow in case you guys want to get these coupons. It's a new item there. Well, it's not a new, but newer. It's actually been out for about a month or 2 months already. It's a great saw here if you guys need one. $59.99. It's a great deal if you guys need a replacement for the blade. I believe you can get it at Amazon. You can get the replacement chain from Oregon, the original one from. Let's see here. Yep, that's it for today. Just a quick video. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.